Do you want to see some of the funnier sides of gardening? Stay tuned. Hi, today I've pulled together some more of the funnier side of gardening. I know people like to take it seriously, but sometimes it's good to have a laugh. I hope you enjoy, and if you do enjoy, feel free to comment, ask any questions, and please subscribe. So over in the Polytunnel, we're really pleased with the success we've had of yield from various tomatoes, from various varieties, from simple sweet cherry all the way through to ones suitable for making sauces. And we've used various different mixtures of feeds, including a high yield of iron, which we seem to have achieved more of the plum style tomato with great success. So it's all very pleasing results so far, and we're looking forward for the harvest. Now over at the vegetable patch in the rear garden, we've had quite a lot of success with the various brassicas. They're looking a bit mottled at the moment because I've given them a spray of BT. Obviously the lettuces are fighting for the space, but I'm really pleased with the carrot experiment so far, where we've set them off in toilet rolls. We used ones, obviously, and here we have the mixed mustard bed, where we've got varieties of French mustard, English mustard, and whole grain mustards, and they're really developing. We're really pleased with our second year banana plant, with it's producing some fake fruit, and we believe it's potentially the Tesco variety, but we're not 100% sure until we get the opportunity to taste them. And down here we had a surprise because we've got a number of pumpkins come up, but we never planted any pumpkins, so it's obviously come through the compost. Finally, here in the wildlife pond, we intend this weekend to do improvements, making it better, to make it even better for the wildlife that are currently present. So thank you for watching my silly humour. Please subscribe, please come along, love to see you again.